I have Honor Band 4 and let me show you how to enable here Do Not Disturb mode on the following band. At the very beginning you need to use your device connected to this band. So let's open here the health right here, the Huawei Health app, and let's choose here the icon of the band right here in that corner. Scroll down, let's tap on Do Not Disturb, and as you can see here you can enable Do Not Disturb. You can choose, for example, Do Not Disturb all day right here. You can also here use some scheduled Do Not Disturb, or you can choose Do Not Disturb when not wearing the band. And as you can see here, you can also define some priority interruptions. For example, you can raise risk to wake the screen if you would like to, and basically that's it. Let's tap this button to accomplish Do Not Disturb, and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.